Hello students, here is what you should do to go into grade 7 Teams. So if you open your OneDrive, you can click the 9 dots here on the left hand side top corner. And when you click there, you can choose Teams here. It is possible to download also the app to use Teams, but you can also run it online. So you should find this mathematics grade 7 team. So you can go there and click and you will be inside the team for grade 7D mathematics. Now we are going to use class notebook. So if you go to class notebook here and click there, each person will see only his or her own name. So this is my class notebook, so I will see everybody in 7D. Okay, so the first time you see it, it's probably looking like this, and you just need to click this arrow here. And if you click there, then you will see welcome. You will probably have content library, but each person will see only their own name. So you will not see everybody in grade 7 like this, because this is just mine. You will see only your own name. And each person, each student, so each of you will have 3 things under your notebook. So handouts, quizzes and exit slips, and then assessments. Today, the first time we use it, on Monday 20th April, you can look at the handout, April 20. And if you click on the screen here, then it will make it bigger, and then you can scroll down to read everything. So in this handout, April 20, you can see the note and example for today's lesson. So just look at this example and read it until the end. Once you are done reading and you understand what's going on, you can go back. So again, click this arrow. And this time you will go to quizzes and exit slips. So your exit slips or practice for today that you have to do is called April 20 tasks. So if you click there, again the same thing, and then click the screen, you can scroll down and you have 3 problems today. Problem 1, you can type here right away if you want. Just type your answer right away and you can actually give a space and so on. So this is under home that you can just type right away. You can choose the text color. If you don't want to type in red, you can choose any color you want. You can also insert, let's say, picture. If you will prefer to, for instance, write down on paper and then later on take a photo of it, then you can always insert it here. So you can insert picture somewhere at the bottom like this. And if you want to write with a pen, you can click draw, choose pen, and you can choose any color you want, and you can start writing. Use your trackpad to say write something you want, x squared or something. It's not very easy, of course. For me it's easier because I have a pen for it, but for you, you will have to use your trackpad, so it's not ideal, but it is possible. Okay, and if you don't like it, you can always click the eraser and just erase everything. Today your task is to just get yourself familiar with this notebook, and there are 3 problems that you can do. Problem 1, problem 2, and problem 3. So try that. Try to play around with class notebook and let me know what you think. Good luck!